Hey homies, I just cleaned out the fridge today. Uh, I just cleaned out the fridge today, and I had a lot of repeats. So, yeah, that's gonna be our topic. You know, I don't know if you've seen those videos that are everywhere on YouTube. What's in your purse? 3 types of steak sauce? Really? 2 different barbecues. I thought we were out of mayonnaise, so I made some mayonnaise. Yeah, it might be time to go. But no, we had a little. So ridiculous. 1, 2, 3, 4 different containers of salsa. These are all pickled things. At least they're different varieties of things. We've got regular dills, pickled okra, what's that called? Relish. We've got relish and pickled peppers. The mustard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mustards? Really? There. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 ketchups. Not necessary. With the salad dressing, only 2 repeats of ranch. That's alright. 2 other varieties. But
you did an awesome job.
thank you. Okay, 3 things to look for in your fridge. Do you have repeats? If so, how many of what? Did you have something that you didn't think you had? And did you find any surprises? Okay, well, homies out. So if you missed it, the stay-at-homes are having a big contest this October. Click on the peppers to find out more. It's gonna be awesome. Click the peppers.